In this video, we're going to take a look at the scheduling settings. You'll find the settings icon in the menu bar to the left of your screen. Let's take a look at the scheduling tab. The first setting applies to the schedule display. By default, Agendrix will display the shifts in the day that contains the most working hours. For example, if you have a night shift starting at 11 p.m. on Tuesday and ending at 7 a.m. on Wednesday, and you want it to be displayed on Tuesday so that the employee understands that the shift actually starts on Tuesday, you need to change the opening and closing times from 4 a.m. to 4 a.m. As there is more time between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. than between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m., the shift will be displayed on the day the shift starts. Just below, you can choose to change the first day of the work week if it is different from the first day of your pay period. For this example, we'll select Sunday. You can also choose to use hours worked rather than date of hire to calculate the seniority of your employees. This setting will influence the seniority report available with the Plus plan, as well as the filters in the Schedule Planner. The Shift Settings section lets you add an automatic break to your shifts and choose whether this break is paid or unpaid. For today, we'll enter a 30 minutes unpaid break, and this break will then be added automatically to the shifts we create later. Next, you can require employees to confirm that the new shifts have been read into their schedule. By activating this parameter, a small eye icon will appear in the top right-hand corner of the shift. You can also hide the shift end time from employees by activating the setting just below. This can be handy for shifts that end only when a task has been completed. The next settings apply to shift transfer requests. You can allow or restrict offers and swaps of shift between employees by enabling or disabling these. The approval section allows you, among other things, to determine which actions require a manager's approval. Check the boxes for actions that will require a manager's approval. It all depends on your company's management style, but in general, our customers appreciate this approval step, which gives them greater visibility. You can also enter the required number of days of notice for employees to change their availability. The intention is to prevent last-minute availability change. If you wish to remove the possibility for employees to submit their availabilities, uncheck the parameter just below. The budget section allows you to set a performance target based on 3 criteria: estimated revenue, estimated hours, or a productivity target of your choice. Let's start with estimated revenues. For this calculation to work, employees' hourly rates needs to be added to their profiles, as we'll be calculating labor costs in relation to company revenues. Once your hourly rates are added to your employees' profiles, you need to determine a labor cost target right here. For today's example, we'll set it at 30%. You also have the option of adding on-call shifts to the total number of hours that will be taken into account in the calculation. Now let's go to the schedule page. At the very bottom of the page, you'll find the 3 rows that concern the budget. By selecting the projected revenue options, you can enter what you expect to achieve for each day of the week. For this example, we'll enter $1,500. Once this is done, you'll see the total hours, the labor costs, and the percentage of labor costs to estimated revenue. This information is available for each day as well as for the week's total, as you can see here. The projected hour option is very simple and allows you to enter your target hours worked per day to ensure you don't exceed it. Now let's go back to the settings menu to better understand how the productivity target option works. Here you can activate the setting and Agendrix will ask you to determine your productivity unit. This can be number of customers, number of meals, number of tasks completed. The possibilities are endless. Then all you have to do is enter the objective you wish to achieve in the box just below. For this example, we'll choose the customer unit and set the target at 40. Then going back to the schedule page, you can enter the estimated number of customers, and you can also enter your target number of customers per hour. Agendrix will calculate and display the number of customers per hour according to the settings you have selected. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or need help setting up your account, our customer success team is available by chat, phone, or email to assist you. Thank you for choosing Agendrix.